It's outstanding.
Yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. And in the event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
Phenomenal. You know.
I don't know what you're talking about, man. But you know what? You keep moving around. You're making me stomach queasy.
I apologize.
I have kids, I'm not, but like, you know, I just wear a hat. I think you really got to be out in the sun a lot.
Yeah. So it balances out, but it's the pinky mainly, because I think that's the one that it...
Triple or more interpretations and with some syntactical context. Vagueness.
More or Aborigine. I didn't realize it was you.
Right.
I'm gonna call you Bobby.
It sure does. It just absolutely does. You know, like in a real, like sort of in this post.
I can't believe it. It's the funniest thing in the world, you know. I mean, you know, I've done this show a couple times before, and
Not dripping, no.
but I want to know.
But I think this thing that Dave Coulier as Joey Gladstone.
Fascinating phenomenon because water is a mixture of light and darkness.
I don't know if it is.
What was that?
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.